नमस्कार दोस्तों, लायंस न्यूज इंडिया में आप सभी का स्वागत है। वेलकम टू लायंस न्यूज इंडिया। डियर लायंस, ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ लायंस न्यूज इंडिया एंड एंटायर लायंस वर्ल्ड, we wish a very happy birthday to our Lions International President, Lion Alexander Douglas.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Lion. Happy birthday to you. From good friends and
Let's meet our international president.
My father is a die-hard New Yorker. He's very well known in Brooklyn and very well respected.
There's not a person in Bed-Stuy that don't know Doug.
In my banking career, I had an opportunity to leave Brooklyn, Bedford Stuyvesant, and go work in Manhattan on Park Avenue. But I wanted to stay in my community.
He saw the opportunity to make some changes and do some good. And he did.
How are you? How's business?
While Doug was managing the bank, there was a significant increase of successes among the minority-owned businesses. I know my business was able to grow because Doug was involved.
Don't forget to call on me, man. Hello, Betty. How are you? It's so good to see you. It's been a long time.
She came into the branch and said to me, I want to buy the building, not just be a renter. We submitted her application. She was able to move into her own building. She's still there today. Betty's Gospel Den.
I think it's really important for my dad for us to own something.
I'm one of 9 children, 6 girls and 3 boys. And in the early 60s, my parents put together enough money to purchase a home. I wanted to keep that building in our family.
Remember how we used to tear it up here? We had all these floors all to ourselves.
Because I know what my parents went through to get it, and I still own it today.
He was a good big brother. You know, he cared for us. He looked out for us. When Father passed, Douglas was 16, and he took on the man of the house role. He was there financially, physically. How can I help you?
My father is the leader, and he made sure that me and my sister also knew that in life, we needed to be leaders.
I love you girls so much.
My parents' relationship was the epitome of relationship goals, as we say now. They loved and respected each other.
We were married for 34 beautiful years. She was my best friend.
My mom was diagnosed with MS before I was born.
My wife spent the last 8.5 years of her life in a wheelchair.
I've seen that man carry her from the car into our functions that we had.
At night, he would still dress her for bed. And in the morning, he'd wake up and get her ready for the day.
It's like, I'm loving you every minute of every day because I don't know when it will be your last. When she passed, we knew Douglas was going to be all right because we knew Douglas did her right.
Service to others is the rent we pay for the space we occupy here on earth. I always believe that we have a purpose here in life other than just what we can do for ourselves. And by serving as a Lion, it gave me an opportunity to make a difference in my community and in the lives of others.
When there was meetings, school board meetings and stuff like that, and we asked somebody in the club who would like to represent, who had their hand up was Doug.
Doug and active members of Bed-Stuy Lions Club would each year join with me and meet with them in distributing toys at a major event, couple thousand kids, and to make sure that every child got at least 1 or 2 toys and especially a book.
Doug invited me to become a Lion after he gave me the experiences of doing service that Lions do. He was not only my sponsor, but also encouraged me to become the club president. He said, Ben, I will be there to support you.
I met Doug at our multiple district conference, and it was history after that, you know.
I would not have met her if I had not been in line.
If he says he's doing something, he's going to do it with his full heart and commitment. And to have the first African American president, Doug is the ideal person to lead our organization.
He has the ability to bring us together.
Diversity in our organization is a powerful thing. It only strengthens us as an association. And I get so emotional when I talk about this because it's very special to me. Are we living who we say we are? Are we truly, really doing that? And I pledge to you, the Lions of the world, that I will serve you from my heart to the best of my ability.
Dear Lions, let's start planning for our international president Lion Alexander's birthday with special service activities as a gift. Welcome to OSW Activities' second special episode. Let's have a look at reports from our various clubs. On the occasion of birthday of Lions International President Alexander, Anaj bags distribution to 90 blinds families by Lions Club of Vasai. Video courtesy by Bharat News 247.
लायंस क्लब इंटरनेशनल अध्यक्ष एलेक्जेंडर डगलस के जन्मदिन के शुभ अवसर पर 18 अक्टूबर को विरार के पद्मावती हॉल में बसई लायंस क्लब ने 90 दिव्यांग परिवारों के लिए राशन विभिन्न प्रकार के सामान वितरण कार्यक्रम का आयोजन किया। इस अवसर पर लायंस क्लब के जिला गवर्नर डॉक्टर ख्वाजा मुदस्सर मुख्य अतिथि के तौर पर उपस्थित थे, जबकि जिला सेवा अध्यक्ष लायंस क्लब मनोज बाबर अतिथि के रूप में उपस्थित थे। इस अवसर पर ओम अपन संस्था के प्रमुख सुरेश पवार ने कहा कि पिछले 20 महीनों से सख्त लॉकडाउन तमाम परेशानी होने के कारण हर समय आज तक लायंस क्लब बसई के अध्यक्ष विकास पटोले और उनकी टीम दिव्यांग परिवार की मदद के लिए आगे आए हैं। जीवन की प्रवाह किए बिना कोरोना बीमारी के कठिन समय में भी लायंस क्लब हमारी मदद कर रहा है। अपना विचार व्यक्त करते हुए विकास पटोले आए उपस्थित सभी दिव्यांगों को धन्यवाद किया।
जो ये कार्यक्रम यहाँ पे है वो हमारे लायंस क्लब ऑफ वसई और उनके अध्यक्ष लायन विकास पटोले ने हमारे जीएसटी कोऑर्डिनेटर लायन मनोज बाबूर के मार्गदर्शन पे किया। यहाँ पे जो ब्लाइंड रिलीफ एसोसिएशन की तरफ से जो 100 लगभग लाभार्थी आए थे उनको अनाज दान का वाटप और अन्य भी और कार्यक्रम यहाँ पे करे गए। ये हमारा जो अक्टूबर सेवा सप्ताह था जो हमारे 134 क्लब ने किया, उस दौरान हम लोग एक्चुअली जुलाई से हमारा जो वर्ष शुरू होता है तो अभी तक हमारे 134 क्लब ने सब मिलके जो लायंस इंटरनेशनल के वेबसाइट पर रिपोर्ट किया है, लगभग 10.5 करोड़ रुपए के काम किए हैं और अक्टूबर सेवा सप्ताह में लगभग 7.5 करोड़ का इसमें से, उसके पहले जो 3 करोड़ अभी 7.5 करोड़ का, ऐसे 134 क्लब ने मिलके किया है। 300 बच्चों को ऐसे अनाजदान का कार्यक्रम किया। तो ये हमारा जो अक्टूबर सेवा सप्ताह रहता है हर साल जो 2 अक्टूबर से 8 अक्टूबर तक रहता है, तो इसमें हमारे 110 क्लब ने भाग लिया।
On the eve of International President Lion Alexander's birthday, DC Child Cancer Project, Lion Pinky Pratap distributed 100 nutritious protein food, materials and hygiene kits to needy and pediatric cancer patients and their families. It was well attended by chief guest, District Governor Lion Khwaja Musadde. Lions News India is proud to associate with Z Live for their upcoming event. Watch Shan and Kumar Sanu perform their greatest Bollywood hits only streaming only on www.supermoon.live.
Hello everyone, this is Shan and I'm very excited to be performing on the 30th and 31st with the one and only Kumar Shanu and the Club Mahindra presents Supermoon Magical Memories.
You can register for this event only on insider.in. I'm truly thankful to the
Governor Lion Dr. Mudassar expressed his hearty congratulations to GST Chairperson Lion Manoj Babur and GST team for an outstanding Dream Dare Deliver Gold Award finale. Hearty congratulations to the 110 Gold Awards Lion clubs with diamonds ranging from 1 to 267. Hearty congratulations to Regions Chairperson and Zone Chairperson for Gold Awards and being honored with International President's Pin. Congratulations to all the district chairpersons for motivating all clubs with great service projects in OSW and the respective Gold Awards. Great efforts by our Magic Micro Cabinet members. Thanks for their gracious presence to respected PDGs IPMCC Lion Chandrasekhar Garg. Superb dance performance by performers from by Kalakriti Dance Academy Lion Rekha Desai from Lions Club Meera Bhayandar Galaxy. Great women empowerment project by Lions Club Tarapur to help farmers of Mokhara. A wonderful finale to the Festival of Service. Dream Dare Deliver OSW. Lions Club of Mumbai Abha received Gold Trophy Award with 3 diamonds for OSW. Lions Club of Mumbai Angels achieved Gold Trophy with 42 diamonds. Connect, collaborate, celebrate. Lions Club of Mumbai Western Indoor Sports 21-22. President Lion Natwar Banka mentioned the 2 days of indoor sports tournament 21-22 Khelo Lions Khelo has come to an end today. We congratulate all the winners and runners. We thank PDG Lion Subhash Udaipuri ji for gracing our award ceremony with his presence. We had about 80 participants from our club. We thank all the participants, team owners and trophy sponsor for the tournament. Big round of applause for our indoor sports chairperson Lion Dalpat Mehta and Lion Kaushik Pajwani and for our indoor sports committee for their superb planning and execution.
Hi, this is Natwar Banka from Lions Club of Mumbai Western. Today we have our indoor sports 21-22 Hello Lions Hello. You can see we have a lot of people, our own members, viewers and kids. They are playing this badminton and tennis tournament. So we wish all the best for all the players.
Requesting our Lions to purchase these products made by the lovely ladies to motivate, support and encourage them. Lion Sanjay Khanna, DC Satellite Projects, Lion Poonam Panchal, DC Women Empowerment. Lions Club of Tarapur has taken this project, support them in this noble cause.
इस बार मैं आपकी दिवाली को और भी अधिक रंगीन और उज्जवल बनाने आपके लिए लाई हूँ विक्रमगढ़ की आदिवासी महिलाओं द्वारा बनाए गए बाम्बू आकाश कंदिल।
हाय एवरीवन, मैं हूँ टेटवाली गांव में जहाँ से प्रोजेक्ट ग्रीन गोल्ड की शुरुआत हुई है और मेरे साथ है नमिता दीदी।
आमच्याकडे पहिले फोन पण नव्हता आणि आम्हाला ऑर्डर्स नाही यायचे काय नाही, म्हणून आमची एक इच्छा होती का आपण मोबाईल घेऊ आणि म्हणजे कोणती ऑर्डर येईल, काय वस्तू आपल्याला लागेल, काय ते मागवण्यासाठी आपण एक फोन घेऊ। राख्यांमध्ये 4 म्हणजे एक मी आहे आणि 3 मुली आहेत, असे आम्ही मोबाईल घेतले।
4 मोबाइल आपने खरीदे हैं?
4 मोबाइल ऐसे घेतलेले आहेत।
तो पूरे भारतवासियों को सबको बोलिए थैंक यू, धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू, धन्यवाद।
ये सब महिलाएं मिलके आप लोगों के लिए बना रही है दिवाली पे बहुत प्यारे प्यारे कंडल, जिससे आपके घर में रोशनी होने वाली है। दिवाली आप सेलिब्रेट करेंगे। मुझे पता चला है कि ऑलरेडी सेलिब्रेशन गांव में तो शुरू हो चुका है। वैसे मैं बता दूं कि रक्षाबंधन का रिस्पांस जो पूरे भारत से मिला है, क्या बात है भैया, आप कुछ बताना चाहेंगे इस बारे में?
बहुत ही सुंदर, बहुत ही सुपर रिस्पांस रहा है। मैं आप सबका धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ। इससे महिलाओं को बहुत मोटिवेशन मिला और उस मोटिवेशन के बाद अब सभी मिलकर के 3000 बाम्बू के कंदल बना रही हैं आप सब।
केशव सृष्टि ग्राम विकास योजना द्वारा आदिवासी महिलाओं को आत्मनिर्भर बनाने के इस काम में आर्थिक सहयोग देकर हमारे साथ हाथ बढ़ाया है मुंबई की स्वयंसेवी संस्था यंग वॉलंटियर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन यानी YVO और मुंबई की ही IT क्षेत्र की जानी मानी कंपनी कैक्टस कम्युनिकेशन ने। ये फोल्डेबल बाम्बू आकाश कंदील बहुत ही आकर्षक डिजाइन और रंगों में बनाए गए हैं। कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर से भी मेरी अपील है कि इस बार दिवाली पर कॉर्पोरेट गिफ्टिंग के लिए क्यों ना कुछ नया हो जाए। और हाँ, एक विशेष और जरूरी बात मैं आपसे कहना चाहूंगी कि हमारी संस्था एक समाज सेवी संस्था है, इसलिए महंगे विज्ञापन हमारे लिए संभव नहीं है। आप ही हमारे ग्राहक भी हैं, अभिभावक भी और ब्रांड एम्बेसडर भी, इसलिए कंदील खरीदने के साथ साथ इस संदेश को आगे फॉरवर्ड करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें। हमारे प्रिय प्रधानमंत्री श्री मोदी जी के किसानों की आमदनी को 2 गुना करने के संकल्प को पूरा करने में आप भी अपना महत्वपूर्ण योगदान अवश्य दें।
Lions Club of Virar Vikas Special Project. Thank you so much everyone for your contribution and support by any means for noble cause. Lions Club of Mumbai Abhar continued with their Feed the Hunger permanent project on every Purnima with food packets of veg pulao with dal to 160 persons of all age. Everyone has happy and blessed our club members. Project was conducted with the support of President Lion Om Prakash S. Vaswanji, Secretary Lion Nitin Gajendra Kaliaji, Treasurer Lion Prashant Ratnakar Kamat. Our club was graced by Nagar Sarpanch and social workers Mr. Frankie, Chief Traffic Head Shri Shekhar Donbe, Shri Parab Sir and other local social sevak. Special message from District Chairperson Lion Vinita Patodia for Diwali Milan, requesting everyone to get set for Megha Diwali Milan event on 7th November 2021 at 5 p.m. onwards. Lions and ex-Lions celebrate Maharishi Valmiki Jayanti at BHA Bandra West. Message from Lion Nitin Purkar requesting you to support a 3-year District 3234H2 celebrates OSW week from 18th October to 24th October. Friends, do share your videos and photographs of fellowship and service activities on our WhatsApp group and Facebook page Lions News India Activities.
Lions News India is proud to associated with Z Live for their upcoming event. Watch Shan and Kumar Sanu performing their greatest Bollywood hits only at Club Mahindra presents Super Mom Magical Memories. Enjoy with your family and friends and be a part of this virtual concert from the comfort of your home on 30 and 31st October, streaming only on www.supermom.live.
Hello everyone, this is Shan and I'm very excited to be performing on the 30th and 31st with the one and only Kumar Shanu and the Club Mahindra presents Super Moon Magical Memories.
You can register for this event only on insider.in. I'm truly thankful to the team for making this happen.
दोस्तों, हम उम्मीद करते हैं आज का हमारा एपिसोड आपको बहुत ही अच्छा लगा होगा। टू गेट मोर लायंस न्यूज, स्टे ट्यून टू Facebook, YouTube, and do not forget to share it, like it, and subscribe it.